Hi guys, how to add non-Steam games to Steam. Now open the Steam client on your computer and click the Library tab at the top of the window. This is where all your games live, but here is the secret most people miss. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the Add a Game button and select Add a non-Steam game from the drop-down menu. This tiny button is your gateway to playing any game through Steam. Steam will show you a list of programs. If your game is not listed, and it usually isn't, click Browse to open File Explorer and manually find the game's executable.exe file. Keep watching because the next step saves you from a huge mistake. Check the box next to the game you want to add. For example, Farming Simulator 22. Then click the Add Selected Programs button at the bottom. Don't just click Next without reading this step carefully. Find the game in your Steam library list, click on it, and hit the blue play button to launch it through Steam. Now you can use Steam Overlay, controller support, and record your playtime. That's the real value right there. Want to know how to add custom artwork so your non-Steam game looks just like a real Steam game?